Peppermint is a wonderful herb to grow at home. It smells fresh and invigorating. You can use the leaves for many things: make tea, flavor desserts, or add them to savory dishes. Imagine fresh peppermint tea on a cold morning. Homegrown peppermint is a delight. It's easy to plant and care for. Let's learn how to grow your own peppermint. You'll have fresh leaves in no time. Soon you'll enjoy the taste of homemade peppermint tea. Planting peppermint is easy. You can start with seeds or a small plant. Choose a pot with good drainage. Peppermint likes to spread. A pot helps contain its roots. Fill the pot with rich potting soil. If using seeds, sprinkle them on top. Don't bury them too deep. Lightly water the soil. If you have a small plant, dig a hole in the soil. Place the plant in the hole. Gently pat the soil around the base. Water it well. Peppermint thrives in well-drained soil. Water regularly, but don't overwater. Stick your finger in the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Peppermint loves sunshine. Place your pot in a sunny spot. A south-facing window is perfect. Your peppermint will soak up the sun and grow quickly. Now you just wait. Soon your peppermint will be bursting with fragrant leaves. Harvest time. Enjoying your peppermint bounty. When your peppermint plant is bushy and full, it's time to harvest. Use sharp scissors to snip stems just above a set of leaves. The best time to harvest is in the morning when the leaves are at their peak flavor. Remember to leave some stems to keep the plant growing. Now you have fresh peppermint. Use it right away for the most intense flavor. From garden to cup drying and brewing peppermint tea, drying peppermint is simple. Bundle a few stems together and tie them with string. Hang them upside down in a cool, dry place. Once the leaves are dry and crumbly, store them in an airtight container. Now you have dried peppermint for tea all year round. To make peppermint tea, boil water and add a handful of fresh or dried peppermint leaves. Let it steep for 5 minutes. Strain the leaves and enjoy. Peppermint tea is refreshing and soothing. It can aid digestion and help you relax. Thanks for watching and stay healthy, my friends.